Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix DayZ launching issue. So for the first step, make sure to go to the Windows taskbar, right click on any empty space, after that select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in Steam or the launcher that you have the game on. If you do find it running as a process, make sure to select every task running, right click on it and select End Task. After that, for the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. If you do have an AMD graphics card, make sure to open the AMD app, otherwise select NVIDIA app. Now all you have to do is to sign up if you don't have an account, and then go to settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay, and then go to drivers. After that, from here you need to update your graphics card driver, so select on download or install. After that, choose between custom or express installation. I usually leave it as default, and then click on continue in order to start the updating process. Now for the next step, go to the search, type in device manager. It will pop up like this, so search for display adapters and click this arrow. Now you should click your graphics card, which is usually NVIDIA or AMD, right click and then select update driver. Now select the first option and then click on close. For the next step, you should go open the Steam launcher. After that, go to the view option in the navbar and select library. Browse in your games collection, look for DayZ. If you do find it, I don't have it installed, you just need to select it and then click on this gear icon and click on properties. After that, go to the launch options and type in exactly this command, and then go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the launching issue would be fixed and recovered without any issues. You don't need to re-download and install the game from the start. So once this finishes, close everything. Before relaunching the game, go ahead and click on the Windows icon and then make sure to reset your computer and try again. If you find it helpful, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.